Legal questions remain after President Trump threatened to pull federal funding from Maine. The president says Maine is not complying with Title IX by allowing transgender athletes in high school sports. Bonnie Bishop joins us now in studio. And Bonnie, you spoke with an expert on this issue. What did he have to say today?
Well, Kathleen, Peter Lowe focuses on education law in Maine. He says this could end up being a landmark case that ends up at the Supreme Court.
Many people think of Title IX, I think, in women's sports. And that's a good illustration of what Title IX was intended to do and what it's done over the years.
Over the years, Lowe says the law provides equal opportunity based on sex. It ensures women have the same opportunities in athletics or educational programs. But right now, there's a debate on how to interpret this law. During his administration, President Biden defined sex to include sexual orientation and gender identity, allowing transgender athletes to compete. Trump's executive order defines sex as only male or female.
The position of the current administration is that gender identity doesn't fall within Title IX. The Biden administration said it did. There's been a sort of a yo-yo back and forth politically about that issue.
Trump's interpretation conflicts with Maine law. Lowe says executive orders have significance, but not as much as laws passed by Congress. The Maine Human Rights Act protects transgender people from discrimination. Governor Mills says she's following the law. Trump doesn't agree. Lowe says the question that will have to be answered is, does federal law supersede state law?
One of the big issues that a court most likely will decide, and possibly the Supreme Court, is does Maine law or the interpretation of federal law by the White House, if it's correct, which one prevails?
U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi says she's ready to sue the state of Maine if needed. For Maine's Total Coverage, I'm Bonnie Bishop.
All right.